Deep within the Nevada desert lies Area 51, a name synonymous with government secrecy and the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life. This heavily guarded military base, officially known as Homey Airport or Groom Lake, has been the subject of countless rumors and alleged cover-ups for decades. The very mention of Area 51 conjures up images of flying saucers, alien autopsies, and clandestine government experiments. Its remote location, amidst dry lake beds and rugged mountains, adds to its mystique. The base is heavily guarded with restricted airspace and warning signs that leave no doubt about the government's intent to keep its activities under wraps. Despite the official silence, stories of strange lights in the sky and unusual occurrences have emerged over the years. These tales have cemented Area 51's reputation as a hotbed of paranormal activity and a potential gateway to understanding the universe's greatest mysteries. The allure of Area 51 lies not only in what we don't know, but also in the sliver of possibility that some of the extraordinary claims might be true. Join us as we delve into the history, the myths, and the enduring fascination surrounding Area 51, attempting to separate fact from fiction. The story of Area 51 begins with the Cold War. In the early 1950s, the United States needed a secret location to develop and test its new arsenal of spy planes. The Nevada desert, with its sparse population and favorable flying conditions, proved ideal. In 1955, President Dwight D. Eisenhower approved a top-secret project to develop a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft capable of flying over Soviet territory undetected. This project, known as Project Aquatone, gave birth to the legendary U-2 spy plane and marked the official establishment of Area 51. The base, initially dubbed Paradise Ranch, was chosen for its remoteness and proximity to existing military facilities. Lockheed's Skunk Works division was tasked with developing and building the U-2. Area 51 became the testing ground for this revolutionary aircraft, its dry lake bed providing a perfect natural runway. The secrecy surrounding Area 51 was paramount from the beginning, with workers carefully vetted and sworn to secrecy. The combination of cutting-edge technology and clandestine operations laid the foundation for Area 51's enduring mystique. The very air surrounding Area 51 crackles with an undercurrent of mystery. This aura of secrecy has proven to be fertile ground for speculation, conspiracy theories, and public fascination. The government's tight-lipped approach has only served to fan the flames of speculation. The lack of official information, coupled with the base's remote location and heavy security, has created a vacuum filled by rumors and eyewitness accounts. Conspiracy theories surrounding Area 51 run the gamut from advanced weapon systems to captured alien spacecraft. One of the most well-known figures associated with Area 51 is Bob Lazar, who claimed to have worked on reverse engineering alien technology. His claims, while lacking concrete evidence, captured the public imagination and cemented Area 51's reputation as a hub for all things extraterrestrial. The base has become a blank canvas onto which people project their fears, hopes, and beliefs about the unknown. Area 51 and UFOs are inextricably linked in the public consciousness. The base's association with unexplained aerial phenomena dates back to its early days, fueled by the testing of secret aircraft. One of the most significant events that cemented Area 51's place in UFO lore is the infamous Roswell incident of 1947. Conspiracy theorists believe that the alleged crashed flying disc and its occupants were transported to Area 51 for analysis. The Roswell incident, along with numerous other reported UFO sightings, has led many to believe that the base serves as a repository for captured alien spacecraft. Stories of alien autopsies and government cover-ups have captivated the public imagination for decades. Area 51 has become a focal point for those seeking to prove the existence of extraterrestrial life. While Area 51 remains shrouded in secrecy, the past few decades have seen a gradual trickle of declassified documents. One of the most significant disclosures came in 2013, when the CIA officially acknowledged the existence of Area 51. The declassified documents related to the U-2 spy plane program confirmed that the base had been used for testing the aircraft during the Cold War. The documents revealed details about the U-2's development and its missions over Soviet territory. The release of these documents helped to debunk some of the more outlandish theories surrounding Area 51. Despite these disclosures, much about Area 51's operations remains classified. The true nature of the base's current operations and the extent of its involvement in developing advanced technologies remain open questions. Despite the government's attempts to explain away some UFO sightings, new reports continue to emerge from the vicinity of Area 51. These recent accounts describe objects and phenomena that defy easy explanation. One intriguing trend has been the reported sightings of drone swarms in the skies above Area 51. These swarms, often described as large formations of lights moving in synchronized patterns, have been witnessed by multiple observers. The Pentagon has acknowledged these sightings, admitting that they cannot identify the objects. Several videos have surfaced online showing strange objects moving at incredible speeds. The Pentagon's renewed interest in UFOs, evidenced by the establishment of the Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force, has further fueled speculation. The task force's mission is to assess the threat posed by unidentified aerial phenomena, suggesting that the government is taking these reports seriously. Area 51 stands as a testament to humanity's fascination with the unknown. From its Cold War origins to its association with UFOs and alien technology, the base has captured the imagination of generations. While some secrets of Area 51 have been revealed, the base continues to hold on to its mystique. The government's reluctance to fully disclose its activities ensures that Area 51 will remain an enigma for years to come. Whether one believes in government conspiracies or alien encounters, Area 51 serves as a powerful reminder that there are still mysteries in the world. It is a place that sparks our curiosity and challenges our assumptions. As long as secrets remain hidden and unexplained phenomena continue, Area 51 will continue to beckon to those who dare to look beyond the ordinary. The truth, whatever it may be, is often stranger than fiction.